Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start lesson number 9, The Wolf Children, Part 1. Dear children, this story is divided into two parts. The first part we'll study now, and the second part is given in lesson number 10. Here is a story about the wolf children. Two children, those who were found in with the wolves in a cave, and the man called Reverend Singh rescued them. Let's start the story. Before starting the story, let's see the meanings of some difficult words which are written on the board. Hastily. Hastily means quickly. Hollow. Hollow means empty space. Demons. Demons means evil spirits or supernatural beings. Then superstition means belief in supernatural actions. And some more other meanings of difficult words. I'll explain you while explaining the chapter. So you all can hold your pencils in your hand and you can write down the meanings of those difficult words. Let's start the chapter. 6 men sat on a wooden hunting platform. The platform had been hastily built during the heat of the day. Now, in the gathering twilight, the men knew that their long wait would soon be over. 6 men sat on a wooden hunting platform. There was a platform built, and this platform had been hastily means in hurry-burry or quickly it was built during the heat of the day, and all 6 men were sitting on their platform. They were waiting for something. Now, in the gathering twilight means dim light before sunrises or after sunset. The dim light before the sun rises and after the sunset, that is called twilight. And the men knew that their long wait would soon be over. They were sitting on the platform and they were waiting for something. Now it was the time when their wait was going to get over. Below them, some 30 meters away, stood a giant ant hill. Below the platform, there was a giant, a very big ant hill, and it was 30 meters away from the platform. It was on this that the men's attention was focused. All 6 men's attention was fully focused on that ant hill. They were focusing, they were looking at that ant hill. One of the men licked his lips nervously. Usually when people are nervous, they lick their lips or they hold their hands tightly. Likewise, the same way, one of them was very nervous and was licking his lips. The anthill, he knew, had long ago been abandoned by ants. This anthill, abandoned means left. Okay, long ago it was left by ants. Now it was simply a hollow shell like a cave. Now the ants were not living in that anthill. Okay, and now it was simply a hollow. Hollow means empty shell. It was a place just like a cave. There were no ants living in that anthill. Inside there lived jungle demons. Demons means the evil spirits or supernatural beings. Okay, it was people's belief that inside that anthill some evil spirits were living. Sunset was time for the demons to appear, and sunset was the time when demons were coming out of that ant hill. And from long time, these 6 men were waiting for this moment when the demons will appear, will come in front of them. It was October 9th, 1920. By seeing this date, dear children, we can say that the story is real story. It was October 9th, 1920. Everyone in the Indian village of Godavari knew about the jungle demons. In that area, in that surrounding, everybody was knowing about these jungle demons. Everybody heard that demons are living in this ant hill. They had heard their howls and their strange yelping cries. Howls, yelping cries means very loud, sharp cry. People heard that sound. Their howling, their yelping cries. Several people had actually seen the demons. Those who were living near that area, people had heard and they had seen those demons. They were in appearance half human, half animal. The appearance of these demons was very strange. Half body was like animals and half of the body was like human beings. The superstitious would no longer venture into the forest for fear of them. The superstitious people, those who believe, those who have false beliefs. Clear? And venture means risk, taking risk or facing dangers. Okay, so the superstitious were not having that courage to go through that forest because they were afraid of these demons. The forest was bathed in a deep red glow from the setting sun. As it was the time for the sunset, the forest was bathed in a deep red glow. The first of the large fruit bats flapped past the waiting men. We know that bats are active during night. Okay, so the bats flapped past the waiting men. They were flying near the waiting men. Suddenly there was a movement in the narrow entrance of the ant hill. Then they could hear some noise. There were movements in the entrance of the ant hill. The men on the platform stiffened. Stiffened means they were frightened. Okay. Those who were sitting on that platform, they were alert, they were frightened. One of them drew in his breath sharply, while another tightened his grip on the stock of his rifle. One of them, he drew his breath sharply, he was much afraid, and another one, he tightened his grip, he holded the rifle in a proper way, he holded it tightly to aim at one who is going to come through that entrance. Something was coming out of the ant hill. They could see something was coming out of that ant hill. It was a fully grown wolf. What they could see, what was coming out? The fully grown wolf was coming out of the ant hill. Behind it came a second wolf and then two small cubs. Behind that wolf came another wolf and two small cubs. Babies of wolves are called cubs. Then something else emerged. After this, something else emerged. Emerged means appeared. It was a demon, just as the villagers had said, half human and half animal. First of all, the wolf came out of the ant hill, followed by another wolf and two small cubs. And at last, two demons appeared from that ant hill, as the people said, as the villagers said, they were half human and half animal. The demon was followed by a second monster, much smaller than the first. Then, after the first demon, another demon appeared. Okay, it was the second one was little smaller than the first one. Both of the creatures had matted hair. Matted means become tangled hair, which covered their faces, and both walked on all fours. These monsters having very matted hair, very rough hair, and their face was covered with their hairs, and they were walking on all fours, means they were using their hands and legs both for walking. They looked around cautiously before bounding after the wolf. As they followed the wolves, before following them, they looked here and there cautiously. Cautiously means very carefully. Okay. So finally, these 6 men from the afternoon onwards, they were waiting, and now they could see the wolves, their cubs, and the two demons living in that ant hill. Let's continue the chapter in the next class. And dear children, just go through this chapter, read it, and learn the word meanings of this. Whatever I have taught you, learn those difficult word meanings. Thank you.